Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to generate Windows script files for Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We will be using Windows Script, WinScript, an open source tool that helps you build custom scripts for Windows 11. It includes debloat, privacy, and performance scripts, among others, and enables you to install all your favorite apps in one click via Chocolatey. Chocolatey is a software management automation package manager for Windows that wraps installers, executables, zips, and scripts into compiled packages. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Go to the WinScript website and click on Get Started. You can download the desktop version or use the online version. I will use the online version. In the Tools, Debloat, Privacy, Telemetry, Gaming, Performance, and Miscellaneous tabs, explore the various options and select the tweaks based on your needs. In the Browse Apps tab, explore the various apps and choose which ones to install based on your needs. In the View Script tab, you can download the custom script, which will be saved as winscript.bat, or you can copy the custom script. If you want to install an app available on Chocolatey but not available in the WinScript tool, you can search on Google for Chocolatey followed by the app name. For example, search for Chocolatey Google Drive. Click on the relevant page, and in the Install section, you will see a command like Choco install Google Drive. Copy the package name as is, and add it to the line after echo, installing these apps into the line where it says Choco install. After the tool's latest update, you can now enter the package name directly in the Enter Package field on the Browse Apps tab, and then click Add. Now you can right-click on the winscript.bat file and select Run as administrator. It will then perform its tasks. You can use the Windows script on your system or any other systems. For example, you can copy the winscript.bat file to the root directory of a Windows installation media USB drive or to the root directory of a Windows ISO file. Install Windows. After installation, go to the Windows USB drive, right-click on the winscript.bat file, and select Run as administrator. It will then perform its tasks. After finishing the installation and running the Windows script, restart your system. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.